What's up? What I do?
Hey, buddy, what's up? Listen, we called you here, but nah, you're not in trouble. Okay, so hey guys, I'm Patronn here. We got Mr. Dizzler here. We just actually wanted to congratulate him. He came in second place last month, and as we promised, we said we're gonna give you a new iPhone. This is the newest one out, all right. And I know you like gold, and it's funny we said that. You said, hey, it's all a mindset, right? So you earned it, you deserve it. Hopefully that you can win more of these things. Guys, this is what we do different a little bit at Brooklyn Mitsubishi. All right, we just try it, try to make it fun and try to give something to them to strive for. So, how do you feel?
I feel like $1,000,000.
Look at him, he's already switching the phone.
Congratulations, buddy, and hopefully you can win some more. There's trips coming up. There's a lot of opportunities coming in, and just keep doing what you're doing. Stay positive and just forget the haters.
Fuck yeah, man.